Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today in this occasion, I will to share my portfolio. So the first, I will introduce myself for the first. So my name is Fawaz Abdul Ghani, but you can call me Ghani. And yeah, uh, basically I'm just a network engineer, and I have some a little experience of in the networking. And yeah, my last educational is from Eden Boarding School, from junior high school, and the skill that I have from I joined the junior high school in IDN is Cisco, Mikrotik, and basic Linux. And my artificial works that I have that I do in IDN is in November 2022 is make some a book about the Mikrotik MTCNA, and the next in the December 2022, and I make some Mikrotik MTCRE book, and in the May I make some Sisena book, and in the December 2023 I make some CCNP book, Cisco CCNP, and yeah, this is my certificate. The first is Mikrotik MTCNA book and MTCNA, and the second is MTCRE. The second, I get some Cisco Sisena certificate that I get from 2023, and the fourth is Fortinet NSA1. And let's see my content in my portfolio. And the first, my experience that I get from the school is Gema Pro, and Gema Pro, this is a project that I do with my friend. And in Gema Pro, I do some maintenance, some server, and yeah, this is my the photo that I get from there. And the second is SMK Al Muslim, and in the SMK Al Muslim, I do some teaching uh, about the Cisco CCNA, and I teach to SMK Al Muslim in the 1st October, and me with my friend, and I teach at the Al Muslim in 2 days. Uh, and in SMK Al Muslim, I get some new experience how to some solving some the trouble and teaching, and yeah, that's it. And this is the photo that I get from there. And the third is College Vocational Sungai Buloh, and the Sungai Buloh. And in the October, after I teach from the Al Muslim, the next week I go to the Malaysia to teach in the school from to College Vocational Sungai Buloh, and yeah, and in the October, and I teach with my friend and from other branch of Aiden boarding school, and yeah, and and I teach from the to College Vocational Sungai Buloh. I get some experience. Seems like the first I first time to using the pesawat plan to go there, and yeah, and this is my first county that I I go to outside from Indonesia. And yeah, and In college vocational Sungai Buloh, I teach about the Mikrotik MTCNA and CCNA, and I teach 2 weeks in Sungai Buloh, and the first week I teach about MTCNA, and the second is CCNA, and yeah, and the weekend in Malaysia I go there to traveling, and I go to Kuala Lumpur to go to mall, pavilion, and shopping, and yeah, and Sunday I go to Ginting Highland, and yeah, and in college vocational school I get some many friends and other, and yeah, I can, and I in Malaysia teaching about the Malaysian language, and learn about tradisi the culture of Malaysian, and yeah, I trying to eat some nasi lemak, and this is the documentation that I get from there, and yeah, and the next is Telkomsat. And Telkomsat, I teach about the Cisco CCNA, and the duration that I teach in Telkomsat is 3 days, include the material seems like switching, routing, and others. And yeah, and I teach in Agustus with my friend. And in the Telkomsat, I get some experience. Seems like teaching the beda usia, the other different age, and yeah, and this is my tantangan challenging, and yeah, I try to some troubleshooting to do some lab. Seems like for security and others, and this is my documentation that I get, and yeah, and this is my friend, and the next is Al Andalus Islamic Boarding School, and in October 2022, I and my friend teach in Andalus is 3 times, and in Andalus I teach about the Mikrotik, uh, MTCNA seems like QoS and others. And this is my documentation. And this is my very old teaching. And this is when I was in the seventh grade, and I teach about the spreads. And the next is AWS Cloud Day. This is some event that AWS adakan, that AWS help, and AWS Cloud Day is telling about the benefit of using the cloud, and in AWS Cloud Day I get some getting and networking with other people. Seems like do some conversation with other people, and yeah, and telling the experience the people say, and yeah, just listening. And this is my photo that I get, and yeah, this is the last IT fest. IT fest, and I'm as OSIS of kejurusan, the major, and major of network engineer, and yeah, in November 2023 I held some IT fest where I do some panitia committee of networking competition, and yeah, in IT fest that I get some many experience. Seems like learning about the making some Google Form question, I learned about teamwork, to some do some synchronize the other team. Seems like a multimedia team and others. And I learned about the split sheet to make some result of the apa, the uh, penonton, eh, apa delegation, yang bukan yang ikut lomba apa, yang ikut lomba, oh, the delegation of every activist, and yeah, and the last is trying make some super lab. Yeah, super lab Cisco Cisena that is very hard, I think, to make it. And yeah, and that experience that I get some new experience and troubleshooting of making some super lab, new knowledge of Google Form and spreadsheet and teamwork is very important, to give some info to other teams and make some a schedule to getting info to the multimedia team to make some a poster and others. And yeah, and this is the portrait that I get. And yeah, and the books, and the book I met in 10th grade is Mikrotik MT China. And Mikrotik MT China ini, I telling about the lesson that yang ada exit, yang ada di apa, materi yang ada di MT China, which is in MT China material. And yeah, seems like access list, security, masquerade, and other. And this is Mikrotik MTCRE. Seems like the before, but the MTCRE is telling about the focusing on the routing. Seems like SPF and routing, static, dynamic, and others. And the next is Cisco CCNA, and Cisco CCNA is other the Mikrotik. This is the vendor of CCNA, Cisco. And yeah, in this book telling about the VLAN, filtering, access list, port security, routing, and others. And this is my contact. You can contact me in WhatsApp, and this is my email, and this is my LinkedIn. Thank you. Maybe that's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.